Today we have a video from Bodycam leak, and the title of the video is, "This is why you don't run from police 9 months pregnant."
Why would you run from the police while 9 months pregnant, knowing you're putting both yourself and your unborn baby in danger?
She don't care.
Now she's crying about it.
Usually what happens.
Of course she crying.
She said that she got caught.
She's running out the other door. She's running out the other door.
Attacked another dog on a leash. The dog is calm now. It's got a collar on. Black and white large dog.
Yeah, I see her.
Miguel!
Oh, I ain't chasing her either.
Damn, he said this is gonna be light work. He don't even want to run after her. She going so goddamn slow.
Alright.
Through the alley, guys.
Alright, she took off through the alley. I'll go down the alley. You wanna go down, Odell?
I wonder if he an old timer. He probably like, I ain't running after her.
Alley label down. You guys good over there?
9, you got her?
Income 31503.
I'm gonna have a medic come check her out.
What's in that bag?
My stuff.
Why did you run? Stupid.
Stupid.
You're under arrest for retail theft.
That's 4049.
God damn, the baby floating around in there, probably bouncing around all like, God damn, what the hell going on up there? Bouncing around and shit. Like, damn, what the hell, mom? What's going on? That shit crazy, man. You ran 9 months pregnant. Like, come on, man. What if you would have tripped and fell? Then what? As you're running, right? Whatever, are there pregnant ladies that still work out and stuff like that? Yeah, sure. But her running, I'm guessing she's not that athletic or whatever. You know what I mean? It's not like she go to the gym regularly or whatever. But let's just say she's running and she trips and falls in one of the cracks in the street or something. That's too much risk for some retail theft, man.
4718. 4718 hotel. 4718 hotel.
Is she phone? What else you got in here?
It's just my phone.
Any ID on here? Gum?
Yeah.
What was taken?
I don't know.
I don't have ID.
You don't have an ID? You don't have an ID? What's your name? What's your name?
Sarah.
How do you spell Sarah? S-A-R-A-H?
No H.
Why don't you come and have a seat in my squad car? Don't fight us or anything, just relax. Just figure out what's going on and what they want to do. Have a seat. All right, put your feet in. Just twist.
I'm able.
I get that.
10-4.
Let's see what they want to do. What's going on? I don't know what was taken. Yeah, I don't know either. I didn't get that deep into it before she wanted to run away for a retail theft. It was in her wallet.
Take her back there for a show up at least.
Yeah.
And start there. Okay? I can take you back.
I got the bag. Okay. Yeah, I'm on.
All right, we'll take her back there for a show up.
Let's do that. See what they want to do. Yeah. Maybe it's just a trespass or LA. See what it is. They called. I'm sure it's going to be. I'm sure it's going to be a retail.
All right.
Target 409 from him.
Any mileage? 6276.2. Thank you, Marianos.
10-415 away.
We're both good.
Yeah, figured as much. She knew she was 99. All right, who saw her actually steal something?
Yes.
You guys did? All right, come on, you gotta go positively identify her in the squad car. Because she got away.
She did. You saw her running.
Yeah, we saw her, but you guys have positive identifiers at the car.
Do you know what was taken?
$119 worth of shampoo and conditioner.
Okay.
I have receipts for you.
Is that her?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. All right. All right, we'll go inside. We'll get you.
Where's the shampoo and stuff?
Yeah, we haven't inside.
1509.
I stopped her at the after the last point of sale
Okay.
at the other entrance, and I asked her to come back with me to customer service.
Okay.
I asked
Over shampoo? Nah, that's crazy, man. Listen, you know what I mean? Bottles of that you probably done had to take at least probably like, maybe 6, 8? I don't know. Especially if it's good, if it's expensive stuff, probably about 8. Shampoo, conditioner. I'm thinking maybe she gonna be stealing some baby wipes or something, or some baby wipes, what's some other things they got for the kids? Not baby wipes. Some things called diapers. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You need diapers, things of that nature. Maybe some baby food she preparing. I don't know. Nah. Damn. Not no shampoo.
paying for this.
Target 409 from City.
I asked her if she had proper identification. She said no.
Okay.
And the manager's instruction was to make the arrest.
Just to let you know, we have 2 station calls holding MDA and an offender registration.
Never fails. As soon as Marco's home, never fails.
If we can get footage of her leaving the last point.
Holding it right now.
Perfect.
How's it going, sir?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Oh, you got her ID already? Look at that.
Yeah.
Come on, dude.
We did that.
Good, you?
Yeah. Good job.
So you want to press charges for it?
Yeah.
Okay.
She
Sounds
pushed
good.
him, supposedly,
Yeah.
right? I was
Yeah.
trying to find camera footage.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, we got her.
Yeah. What do we got in her?
Pregnant.
I know that. I saw
What are you
that.
doing?
She tried saying that.
She's got 2 warrants, too.
Ooh. So that's why.
Quadruple whammy.
So that's why she didn't want you guys getting involved.
That's why
like,
she's running.
you know, I mean, you got the receipt over there? Yeah, we'll get her in. Yeah.
409.
You know, because I was gonna say it wasn't like a crazy amount. Yeah.
Yeah.
Regular, you know,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
whatever.
1510.
Just need the normal stuff, receipt, video.
We got the 2 warrants now that go with it, so.
one out of Waukegan, and what was the other one?
DePage, so one out of Lake, one out of DePage. So,
Boy.
$100 and some here. We gotta see what a record looks like for a felony.
Yeah. All right, I'll take her in.
All right. I'll check and then I'll meet you inside. All right. You got all this?
She pushed him, so I don't know if he wants to add a charge on top of that.
So camera footage, receipt.
I have the receipt.
Okay, and then I can take care of it.
You got it all?
And then footage of her pushing him. So.
All right.
I'm leaving my ID.
Yeah, do you want to sign for the assault?
Yeah.
Okay.
And sign for the battery. All right, so. All right, here's a receipt.
Just gonna have him email me the footage. So I
Yeah.
have all the info.
So
I can help with that.
we'll do the usual. When you get the case number, give it to us. We'll email it to you. We'll CC the detectives.
Yeah.
Leo will put all the footage together and send it out to everybody. So,
Sounds good to me.
yeah, the usual. Yep,
All right.
easy
so
peasy.
how much was it total? 100 and.
119.
All right. So we'll see.
That was returned back to you guys? the shampoo.
Right? You guys got it?
Yeah.
So I got called to the front. So why don't you tell them the whole story?
We collected everything right here up front.
So what did you see her do exactly?
So she didn't pay for anything, and then she was trying to walk out towards the front. Okay. And that's when she was in a cart. She had everything in a cart in her bag with her, and then as soon as we found her doing that, we approached her, and then we told her if they were going to pay for anything.
So where was she when you stopped her?
Up to the exit.
Up to the exit? Did she leave yet?
She was already passing through the gate. We stopped her right at, like, in the median between the two exits.
Oh, between the two doors? So
yeah,
she left.
yeah, she already passed through all this.
All right, good, go. So she was outside.
Yeah,
she was
already in the median of walking out.
Yeah, so she was in the atrium. She was already outside the threshold of the store, between the doors, when you stopped her. She had a bunch of unpaid merchandise that she saw in her cart. We stopped her.
First we were asking for a receipt or if she was going to pay anything, and then she had nothing to present, and then we told her to come to customer service, see identification, and she couldn't present that either to us.
Okay.
When did she push you? When we told her that you guys were coming, that's when she was trying to flee this way, and then it was blocked by people coming out. So she tried to come in between me and I forgot the other manager's name, but she decided to she extended her arms out and she pushed me. Okay. To push me back. So, yeah, she was
chest.
Yeah.
All right.
I got it.
Okay. All right, I'm just trying to get where it all happened, so we'll get it sorted. All right, you got it from there?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to go and start taking the backup calls.
This is unbelievable. I mean, now I kind of get why she ran, having the warrants and stuff like that. But if you know you have warrants, why are you continuing to commit crimes and put yourself in this situation? About to have a kid, whatever. You should really be going to take care of your warrants, so that way, when you're ready to pop and everything is already taken care of. You can start off with your child clean slate, but you kind of digging yourself a deeper and deeper hole here, and this ain't good.
I'll finally over here.
You don't have an ID, right?
Yeah, of course.
Until I learn how to grab that again. But she saw it, so right.
She was on cameras. Yeah.
So I'll do the simple battery for yours. Mm-hmm. You'll just have to sign the complaints when I come back. How late are you going to be here till?
7.
Okay, 7.
Yeah.
Manager as well?
Oh my God, I am operations manager for EDS.
Operations manager. Okay. For what?
ESS is Executive Security Systems. We have 2 securities now. We have one in the front and one on the cameras. So, Colonnade, right, you saw her on the cameras?
I saw her select, I saw her from the field, and then I followed her.
It's so funny. They keep putting the blurs over their face. I've seen all their faces already.
That's me? Cool. Right, gotta put you in there. M-O-D here. So you were on the cameras during when this happened and saw it. Okay. I'll just use the store's phone number for you. This one. You're just the general manager, right? Yep. Again? Okay. Yep. So once I get this all sorted out, I'll bring back the complaints and do the routine. Just send that to me as soon as possible if you can.
I'll have Aaliyah send it out to you guys probably by the end of business.
Okay.
She's out involved with it.
So same thing, similar to his story? Mm-hmm. You stopped her, you guys came over here. Yeah. Trying to ID, refused. And then what? She kind of started walking.
She knew
she pushed you.
Once she knew you guys were on your way, that's when she was hesitant to get out of here.
Pushed you.
Yeah, first I tried going over there, and then I was blocking her on her way, and that's when she put her hands on.
Yeah, we found her in the alley on hotel over there.
Yeah, well, that's why I saw her running.
Like, girl, come on.
You see her hand?
You're really trying to be careful because I don't want to. Yeah, it's bloody.
No, it's swollen where there's shoot marks where she shoots up.
Wild as a kid?
Wild as kid, man. This is not like she had rubbing her stomach the whole time she was walking in the aisle. And I'm thinking, she's pretty old.
Oh, yeah.
That pregnant.
That's yours.
You know?
Let me get you a card. So you brought back the items here, right?
Yeah.
They were in what? A cart?
She had her own bag.
She could have been older, 35, but she was 50. Yeah.
Walk out.
She's like, you don't have to do this to me. I'm trying to hurt. Like, well, you shouldn't have came in here and committed a crime.
Well, like I said, she was sad that she got caught.
Yeah.
She was not sad for committing a crime.
Yeah.
She was sad that she got
I thought
caught.
she was gonna vote.
Yeah. The minute we stopped her, she was like, I saw the way her stance was standing here ready to
Right.
vote
So
out.
we just kind of got around.
And that's
her.
why I kind of stand in front of her.
You guys can't handcuff, right?
No touch.
Not
No
this
touch. Otherwise, she should have been running. Or no touch.
Next time, let her run out that door.
Number
It's your establishment, so it's ultimately up to me.
738.
Yeah, they are our company. Policy.
Maybe at least get a camera if they run.
Yeah. Next time, let her run through that door because that's a fire exit door. That's a felony if they run through that door to escape a crime, right?
Yes, sir.
You guys taught me that one.
That. I've been on the job.
I learned that one. I learned that one from you guys.
But I think I have everything.
Cool.
Like I said, I'll come back with the complaints. Try to get there before 7. All right, and sign those, and cool. You'll get a court date, right?
Awesome.
Cool.
Works for me.
Yep.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Appreciate it.
your
Thanks.
service.
The woman was arrested and charged with theft and resisting arrest. Drop your opinion.
Good. Yeah, that's what she gets, man. It makes no sense. The stuff that you're, first of all, stealing in general is obviously that's a bad thing, but we do understand that times is tough nowadays, and sometimes you know certain things people steal for their needs. You know, like if that's all they know and they whatever. I mean, I don't think they should do it. You know, but I could see people doing that. You know, if you have no food and you have a kid and the only way you can get some food is trying to steal some food because you got to feed your kid. I mean, it's not right, but that's a little bit different of a scenario than you stealing some shampoo. Like what? That's not a need, okay? That's you know, we have needs and wants. You know what I'm saying? This go back to like elementary. We got needs and wants. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, yo. Yeah, she's that's unbelievable. Yeah, that's unbelievable.